It's laundry day.
This is the buggy cart.
Is the buggy cart?
Yeah.
All right. Good job, Soph. That was a lot of work for you.
Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today is laundry day. Some of you have actually asked me about our laundry routine in this new house, so that's what I'm going to be sharing today. I'll show you what we're using, what's changed, what hasn't changed, and kind of how we do our laundry system now that we're in this new smaller house. So the first thing that I will share with you is we have only one laundry basket in our whole house. It is this thing that is divided. We have towels. We do towels, lights, and darks, and this actually stays in my bathroom. So we're all down this hallway. So we have Sophie's room right here. This is their bathroom. Then we have Katie's room right here. And then this is our room. And this is our bathroom. And this is where we keep our laundry storage most of the time. So everybody just puts their dirty clothes in here. The cool thing about this laundry sorter is one full basket basically is equivalent to one load in this new washing machine. Now, we did not buy these. They were basically here at the house. So this is a GE brand, and this is definitely not something I would have picked. It would not have occurred to me to get a washing machine with an agitator. I definitely do like the top load, and I usually do pick white for my washers and dryers because for some reason it feels clean to me. I know that's kind of weird, but that's kind of how I roll. And then this is the dryer. This is also GE. I actually really have enjoyed both of this washer and dryer. It's not as nice as the ones that we had, but in some ways I like these better than what we had at the old house. The only downside is that the load size is smaller. So I have adjusted what I'm doing to accommodate the new washer and dryer. So what I do is I wait until these are full. So we go ahead and we sort our darks and lights. And when this is full, that means I need to do laundry. This is everybody in the whole family's clothes. And then this last one is just our towels. We all use white towels, so that makes that easy. And all of our sheets are now white, which is a win for me. So if I need to, I can bleach towels or sheets. I rarely do that, but I have that ability. All right, I'll go ahead and show you our new laundry room. So we have the fluorescent light in here, so the lighting is not great, but I went ahead and put my sign up here. We got a new bar because this one had to stay at the old house, but we got a new bar on Amazon to hang clothes. I got these shelves and put this up here. So my sign that I had at the old house, I was going to throw in the towel, but then I remembered how much laundry I already have. I brought that. My largemouth mason jars, I brought those. I found this little sign online that I thought was really cute. Alexa, do the laundry, because we do have Alexa. And so that was cute to me. Then I got this little shelf just for practicality of just, you know, holding all the stuff. So on the top shelf I have laundry detergent, and then we have some bleach and our Shout color catchers on the next shelf. And then this is actually cleaning stuff. So those are in this bin. We have the attachments for my vacuum, which also hangs in here. And then also those are the covers for my steam mop. And then down here I have cleaning rags and also some Swiffer duster things that we still have. And then in the bottom one is our iron and that stuff to go with the iron. So we also have our fire extinguisher in here, and we have our ironing board, which I rarely use. So I try to make it where I don't have to really iron. So I'll go ahead and just kind of explain the actual products that I use. So I use laundry detergent. I use wool dryer balls instead of dryer sheets. And the detergent that I have been liking is this Persil Pro Clean. I've been using this for a while and I really do like it. I was using vinegar as a fabric softener. I have kind of found that where we are now, I don't really need as much fabric softener. So I quit using that, and the primary reason that I quit using it is actually because of this washing machine. So the way this washing machine is, you have to put this fabric softener right here, and because it stays like right at the top, you constantly smell the vinegar. So you don't smell it on your clothes. I mean, it kind of goes away, but there's always like remnants in here. And so the laundry room always smells like vinegar. So I have eliminated that step, and I guess with the water here, I just really haven't needed it. I haven't noticed the difference. I'm still using my wool dryer balls, so that's kind of saving a step and a little bit of money for me. So that is going great. And I also use these Shout color catchers. I only use this for colored loads, and I do it so that I can wash like dark blue jeans or reds or whatever. If it's a color, I wash it together, and this will actually just collect any stray dye that comes off the clothes. So that's the only other thing that I use. As you can see, the one bag of laundry fills up my washer as one full load, so it works out perfectly. I'm doing probably about 2 washes a week with clothing, and probably 1 load of towels. I wash my clothes on cold, and I'll treat that as a super size because it's pretty much full. And I wash clothes on casuals and cold. Now go ahead and start the water, and once the water starts flowing, that's when I put in my detergent.
This is a good day as any to start the rebuilding life. The roads that lay open are many.
So like I said, I didn't pick this washer and dryer out, but I am actually really enjoying these. I just feel like they work great, and they ended up really being the perfect size for us. The girls are gathering up the towels because we hadn't done that yet. So we're gonna let that be one more load that we're gonna do today. You got them.
Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
My first load is done. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it over and start my second load.
This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind.
Alright, so I just set everything on casuals to dry, which puts it like on a medium heat. That's it. I got my light clothes in the dryer now. I'm going to go ahead and put my darks in the wash, and then I'll move on to the towels. The only difference with my dark clothes that I do is I do add a Shout color catcher because I don't take out reds or dark blue jeans unless they're like brand new and like super fading and all that kind of stuff. On normal wash, I just put one of these in and it takes care of it. And I don't have to worry about the colors bleeding.
It's a good day today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day.
So here's the color catcher. It comes out kind of a dark gray. This is the color it came in, so you can see the difference. And this is mostly just like, there's a little bit of red on it, and there's also, you can tell, kind of like some denim, so it definitely does catch that extra dye. So I do hang up a few of our clothes. I try not to hang up many. I hang up Katie's denim shorts. She doesn't like those to be dried. And some of our shirts, and then I'll just kind of fluff them in the dryer. Leave my towels on hot, and then just put them on the towel setting. Sophie likes to roll the laundry hamper back to Mommy's bathroom. Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below. So in both bathrooms, we keep a basket like this, and we keep a set of 4 washcloths, 4 hand towels, and 4 towels for 2 people. So this is the girls' basket, and we have one just like it in mine and Gary's bathroom. So that is our new laundry routine in our new house. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.